Hello，大家好，歡迎翻嚟實務生活庫，我係 Ellen。有朋友仔咧就話佢姐姐放假之前唔肯幫佢做啲嘢先至出門口喎。咁其實呢個係咪合法嘅要求嚟呢？其實姐姐放假幫你做嘢呢，佢幫你做人情，唔幫你就道理。因為其實按翻嗰個法例上嘅要求，佢哋係有24小時休息嘅。咁唔好講咁多住，去片睇一睇。
小姐
Yes, ma'am.
you going out?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help to boil the water?
No, ma'am. It's 24-hour rest.
How about the trash bin?
No, ma'am. It's 24-hour rest.
How about the vacuum?
No, ma'am. It's 24-hour rest.
Then how about the milk bottle? Can you help to wash it when you come back?
Okay. Because I love Alison.
呢個就純粹個人意見啦。嗱，因為我哋僱主一定會覺得，我喺出邊做嘢，我已經好攰好辛苦，我放假仲要做埋姐姐嗰份，其實我冇得休息。但係我哋都需要休息噶嘛。咁可以點樣安排咧？首先睇下自己有冇屋企人可以幫到手啦。如果冇嘅，鐘點會唔會解決到咧？係啦，如果都冇，都真係需要姐姐咁咪傾咯。因為每一日佢做緊嘅嘢就好似媽咪做緊嘅嘢一樣。如果當你湊住小朋友，你就好似帶住隻蝸牛咁，其實你可能要需要30至45分鐘先做到你平時15分鐘做到嘅嘢。係啦，咁仲有好多其他家庭上生活瑣碎事咧，咁所以其實係大家都明白大家嘅難處，咁我相信好多姐姐都肯嘅，係啦，咁但係當然啦，打工仔心態，放假有補水咁就梗係開心啲啦。通常我就都會補少少俾姐姐嘅，咁去片睇睇我點做啊。
You come, let's talk.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you help me to do something before you go out on your day off?
No, ma'am. It's 24-hour rest.
How about help me to vacuum?
Okay.
How about hang the clothes?
Okay.
How about boil the water?
Okay.
How about clean the toilet?
Okay.
How about take care of my baby?
Huh?
How about like this?
Very okay.
放假俾多幾廿蚊姐姐做多少少，又平衡到大家嘅問題，都抵過請鐘點啊！有關於放假嘅其他問題咧，下一集會再講嘅。咁希望大家 like、subscribe 同埋 share 俾你哋朋友仔啊！咁多謝大家支持，下集見。